Hello Japanese woodblock print enthusiasts and collectors. Today I'm going to be unboxing some prints that I got from a gallery called Arts and Designs of Japan, located in San Francisco. And they have a really nice monthly email newsletter that they send out with their new collection. So if you can, get on their mailing list. This is all nicely packed. Let's get rid of this. And let's see what we've got here. Okay, this is a print by Toyohara Kunichika. It's called Woman Watching Fireworks at Shinobazu Pond. I think it's in Ueno Park. And look how beautiful it is. Look at the color contrast between the foreground and the background, her kimono, the fine lines. It's a gorgeous picture. And you can see the imprint of the wood from the woodblock in the sky. And I don't think that detracts from the print. I think it actually adds to it. This one really looks like it's part of a triptych, but I've looked and I can't confirm it. So if anybody out there has information, please let me know. One of my favorite Kunichika facts is the poem that is written on his grave, which reads, "Since I am tired of painting portraits of people of this world, I will paint portraits of the king of hell and the devils." And next, let's open this one. Okay, wow, another great quality. The paper looks really nice. So this is a print by Hiroshige II, and he was apprenticed to Ando Hiroshige, the original Hiroshige. And this is called The Grounds of Honmonji Temple, and it's from his series of famous places in Edo. Even though Hiroshige II kind of copied Hiroshige I's style, I think he made some beautiful prints, just like this one. You can see the wood grain in the background. People are at the festival having a great time, the stairs rising up through the clouds, and this wonderful banner in the foreground. And for the heck of it, I went onto Google Maps and took a snapshot of the same location today. You can see that famous flight of steps in the background. And look at the back, it looks like brand new paper. And there you have it, 2 new, really nice prints from my collection. And I have some more prints coming soon to show you, so please like and subscribe. Happy collecting!